I told you in a prior video that Illustrator's so much better than Photoshop at text. But this is brute force text. This is something admin asked me to do because we have that new drop-off lot, the east parking lot, they're calling it, where the Viking Center used to be. So this I just did in Photoshop because it was pretty straightforward. But I want you to explore the menus, just like the Finder, just like Illustrator. And hey, there's text here. What if we go to type? Everything's all grayed out. How come? Well, look at our layers and notice I have a layer that's just full of white selected. What happens if I click on a layer with text? What happens then? Ah, look at that. So the menu depends a lot on what is selected, what tool you have. Are these options available? You know, how come these are grayed out? Well, this has to do with a continuous tone image, with a photograph, something like that, or that image I had up last time. But there's so much. We're going to use trim all the time. Custom keyboard shortcut, by the way, that I made for that, and fill and stroke. Well, I've got a different keyboard shortcut that works automatically, and we'll get to that. But the idea that there is so much here, and if you don't explore, like me, hey, I didn't explore, and new items popped up, and I had no idea they were there. Some kid showed it to me last year, and I went, oh man, thank you. I had no idea. So look through the menu, explore it, figure out what's here. And remember, when you see an arrow, that's a flyout menu. That means there's more things there. Okay? Some of these things are great. Some of them, you really have to know what you're doing. Otherwise, you just make a cliched mess that everybody's seen 1,000 times, and we've all done it. Everybody, when you start using Photoshop, you use twirl, and you think it looks so cool because everything's twirling around, and I will walk past and go, oh, the toilet bowl filter, because that's what it looks like. Somebody just flushed the toilet on your image, and it's running. But you'll explore it, you'll find it, you'll think it's cool. But then a little voice in the back of your head will say, wait a minute, didn't Scotch go call that the toilet bowl filter? All right, explore, have some fun, and just know you can't learn it all in a day or a year. Photoshop is an incredibly huge program and incredibly powerful, and we are going to do some amazing things with it.